During the pandemic, many companies face challenges including how to manage and organize support initiatives for clients. In this scenario, we will explore how a team of project agents use the project management tool, which is the Basecamp, to effectively handle their gift card support program for their clients. In the wake of COVID-19 pandemic, most of the agent has difficulty or they are struggling in managing required organized approach due to the complexity and scale of their task, and they experience challenges. The first one is the coordination, where the project involved multiple teams members working remotely, which made coordination difficult. And keeping track of which clients received gift cards, the value of each cards, and ensuring delivery was a challenge. And communication also is really difficult for them. With everyone working from home, maintaining clear and consistent communication was also vital. And lastly, the properly documentation or documenting all transaction and communication was essential for accountability and reporting, whereas the documentation of their projects in the specific company, uh, they have challenges on this situation.
Ang dami naman. Uh, Wait lang. Dami naman. Ayan na naman. Diyos ko.
This agency is a medium-sized marketing agency. It is called ACD Company. They decided to support their clients by offering gift cards to local businesses. And this initiative was aimed at fostering goodwill and fostering struggling local businesses. However, a team quickly realized that managing this initiative required a well organized approach due to the complexity and scale of the task. And they have to resolve or they need to resolve this kind of issue as soon as possible. And with this, the pandemic highlighted the importance of robust project management tools like Basecamp. For for ACD Company, it was instrumental in organizing and executing their gift card support initiative, demonstrating how technology can bridge gaps and enhance productivity even in difficult circumstances. Now, despite of the pandemic, the project manager manages to meet the agents to resolve this kind of issue through online.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, I'm calling you guys because I have observed that there's a lot of difficulties when it comes to our system, and it's hard to contact our clients. And I found out that there's a simple system or a good system for us. Um, that is a Basecamp. So, this Basecamp can increase efficiency, especially to those people who work like a virtual. And I need you guys to be prepared. You need to sign in Basecamp, and I will be sending you an email regarding of that one or the instructions. And also, Basecamp is something like it's easy to see our task for the next week or the task every day. And we will be using Basecamp to contact our clients, and it's easy for me also to contact you in Basecamp because there's a option there that I can easily contact you like give you an information or instruction what to do about this specific problems, since you are my gift card agents. So that's it. So I need you to be prepared to sign in Basecamp using your Gmail account. Would that be okay?
That is
That is
noted,
noted,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So right now that is all, and I hope that you sign in and enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you,
Thank
ma'am.
you,
Have a
ma'am.
good
Have a good
day.
day.
Bye bye.
Bye. After that meeting, Karen, the project manager, invited her agents to sign in using their Gmail account in Basecamp, which is this is the efficient project management tool to organize their transactions and also the project itself. My project manager invited me on what is actually. So let me see. Okay, it's all about gift card support. So let's find out in the Basecamp. So let me jump in to join Karen. Okay, I already signed up and let me sign in. Okay, so it's May 29. I will finish this now. Then I will submit later. So it's May 29. So let me see or check my activity. There is also office renovation, but that's not my assigned task. Hmm, I like this app. It's very convenient. By using this Basecamp, the project manager will be able to manage the project efficiently and effectively, whereas she set up the coworkers or her coworkers account, which is the agents itself, and also through this Basecamp, it ensured that despite the team working remotely, they can enhance the productivity even in difficult circumstances. The team also at ACD Company was able to streamline their processes and ensure effective communication and maintain thorough documentation. And this led to the successful distribution of over 500 gift cards to clients, significantly boosting client satisfaction and supporting local businesses during a challenging time. So the centralized approach here provided by Basecamp ensured that despite the team working remotely, as I said earlier, they were able to manage the project efficiently and effectively. And this was the instrumental in organizing and executing their gift card support initiative, through demonstrating how technology can bridge gap and enhance productivity despite of this issue. And this is the solution. So implementing Basecamp. So we have steps right here to follow. So the first one is setting up the project. So the project team created a new project in Basecamp named Client Gift Card Support Initiative. And with this project, they set up different sections to manage various aspects of the initiative. And the step two is creating to-do list, where clients list is was created for tracking all the clients. Each client was a separate task where details like contact information and gift card preferences were added. And gift card vendors is also right here. This is another to-do list was made to manage relationship with local businesses providing gift cards, and each vendor's information and types of gift cards available were documented here. And the step 3 is assigning tasks. So tasks were assigned to specific team members responsible for different parts of the projects. For example, one member was in charge of sourcing gift cards, and another for client communication, and another for delivery logistics. And we have also step 4, scheduling and milestone. So the team set up a timeline with key milestones such as sourcing gift cards, client outreach, and delivery completions. So these milestones were marked on Basecamp calendar. And we have step 5. This is the communication and collaboration. Whereas it has or it it has a message board where separate message boards were created for discussing strategies, vendor negotiations, and client feedback. And this ensured all conversation were centralized and easily accessible. So we have also Campfire. So the Campfire chat feature was used for quick and real-time communication, helping the team stay connected and address urgent issues immediately. And we have step 6. This is the file storage. So all relevant documents such as vendor agreements, client list, and tracking spreadsheets were stored in Basecamp file storage. And this ensured everyone had access to the latest version of all documents. And we have Step 7. So, automated check-ins. So, the Basecamp automatic check-in feature was set up to ask team members for daily updates. And this helped keep everyone on the same page without requiring long meetings. And we have the last step, the step 8. This is the reporting and documentation. So the regular reports were generated and shared with the team using Basecamp reporting tools. And this included tracking the numbers of gift cards sent, total expenditure, and client feedback. To ensure the clear responsibility and accountability of each part of the project, preventing overlap and confusion. So it is really important to allow this uh, kind of Basecamp application to set up the milestone and deadlines to keep the project on track. So this is really important to provide a clear timeline, helping agents prioritize their tasks and manage their time effectively. The automatic check-ins also really an important feature that ensures continuous communication and allows project managers to quickly identify and address any issues. And with this, as you can see, they meet again online to facilitate a detailed discussion and updates for their progress using this Basecamp management tool. And this their discussion tackled the separate threads for different aspects of the project, such as vendor relations, client communication, that allow focused discussion. And updates and announcement also tackled here, where the agents can post updates on their progress, share any obstacles they faced, and celebrate completed tasks. And this is really important, the message boards that provide a structured way to document conversation and decisions, ensuring transparency and easy reference. The Basecamp also provides tools for generating progress reports and insights, where the project managers can generate report on task completion, pending task, and overall project progress. And insight into workload distribution, timely adherence, and areas needing attention also really important to help in tracking the project's health and making informed decision to keep the project on course. Overall, using Basecamp for the gift card support system during the pandemic ensures organized, efficient, and transparent project management. And also, nowadays, it is also really important tool for to efficiently manage the project itself. And it allows project managers and agents to track progress, as I said, and communicate effectively and ensure timely completion of tasks. And the combination of to-do list, the milestone, the automatic check-ins, message boards, real-time chat, file storage, and progress reports create a robust framework for managing complex projects and ensuring that the gift card support initiative runs smoothly and successfully. Hi, good day everyone. Ma'am Karen, good day. So our project manager. So using the Basecamp tool or the Basecamp project management tool. So this platform help us um, organize our small teams, and it move faster and make more progress for our project, which is the gift card support uh, uh, to our clients. And also it thought possible that this platform has innovative project management that is changing the way project management is done. And also the client also can easily approach us through this platform, the Basecamp, and we can easily and efficiently resolve their concerns, and they also understand the essence of good project management through good communication. And also it has built a product that enables good communication for the whole team, which is us, and making it stand out as a leader. That's it, ma'am.
Anyone? Patrice.
Uh, so for me, Basecamp is good for team when it comes to communication. It has also features like message boards for discussions, and direct messaging make it easy for teams to share updates and collaborate. So the notification keep everyone informed without being overwhelming, ensuring smooth and effective communication.
Thank you so much sa lahat ng feedback niyo. And if you have further questions, please message me using Basecamp. And that's all for today. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank
Thank
you.
you, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Kiti akong ubo.
Iubo ka? Kama ka COVID na. Sorry.
Ay,
COVID na. Laban lang dira.
explain na akong Basecamp sa siya.
Second scenario na to. Second scenario. Unsa na dito ano pa to sa plano magpasa video wala na. Ito parang Patrice.
Ay, kamata ko wala daw. Kaya ako kabata sa wala.
Yo, patulog pa mo bay.
Tulgon dito. Sige.
Sige. Ano may una na to? Wait lang. Ano may una?
Ako muna storya. Ay, pwede man Taglish na.
Oh, Taglish. Sige. Adlibra ko.
Sige, benangin sa
Sige mo
mga.
imon.
Ayaw sa pagsalpon siya. Okay, start ako. Di na ako likat pag-send sa mga.
Sige, ako na yung bahala kat ana. Para makakanta.
Sige ko.
Hmm?
Start na ko. Hello, Kim. Good afternoon. So, I have observed that... Eh, nasa ba? Ay, katawa.
Slow kayo karon ba?
Sige, sab.
Namiss ako to pagka-energetic ni mo.
Okay.
Pag main sa ganun dra energy.
Hello, Kim.
Magmahang garo tayo to professional to direct professional.
Hello, ma'am.
Professional
Kim.
ka dali.
Miss na lang.
Sige.
Okay, work.
Oh my God, wait lang!
खत्म बाय बाय टाटा गुड बाय